to ni choy kuma nyama da boy na bia ho anya ba Yevugboma kaliha nyama ke cho ba ngbaji a ba Yevugboma ro mania maro anya maro mania mano bia bo anoni no go okay ke agbaje gena me va village la manji fa mon ko egba chogbenu to kuma fa miada ko me va ko ni danya gareka Yevugboma de ti efo e mabo o kana do kpo na maka ko Yevugboma enyi aduma la lo Yevugboma de ti plakpan efo ga sheke nya ndikanya Akple ye mi ko ni da now is over bolo. Okay. Alright, so just quite recently I visited my mom and I was asking her if we can still trace the meal we call Yevugboma dechi. Yevugboma is one of the herbs that we used to prepare soup with. It is one of the soups that I cherish and I like so much because it's very delicious. So I asked her and she said it can be traced down to our village. So this morning I came for a funeral in our village and decided to pass through the house, and I met my auntie and she served me with Yevugboma dechi, and in fact I'm really enjoying it. It's very sweet. This one I'm not sure I'll eat again the rest of the day because after this one bowl of banku I'll just be adding water. So Yevugboma, please leave in the comment section if you've ever enjoyed this meal. This meal is really delicious, especially with salmon. Salmon and then some traces of ajotwe. Oh, not ajotwe, ajado. That is how we like it in the village. Please, if you've ever eaten this or if you've ever taken this soup before, leave it in the comment section and actually describe your experience for us. This is so delicious. Yeah. That Yevugboma here with salmon, yes. Yevugboma everything on top of you. In actual fact, this bowl of banku is so big for me. I can't eat all, but because of this soup I have to finish all because I don't know where I'll get this soup from again. Akple duma whatever the channel or Akple one. It must look presentable. Yeah.